Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use the best AI softwares. So we'll go through all the AIs that are like completely good nowadays, which are Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, OpenAI, and much more. So let's start first with OpenAI, or let's start with Stable Diffusion because it's the most simple one. So Stable Diffusion is like an AI that creates us images from what you rate. So, for example, let me just refresh the page and go all the way down here. So, for example, football. If I write football, as you can see now, I give it some time, and by the end, it shall give us like variation of pictures about football. You can come here to advanced options if you want more images or less images, guiding scale, etc. So now let's see what kind of football they will give us. So this is the football that they gave us and the image that they gave us. Now there is the second AI, which is like Midjourney, which is this one. So basically, this Midjourney is an AI that's specialized in making images. Like otherwise, like for example, if we come to Stable Diffusion, this AI can make us images, but they are not really that high quality or that good. But if you want to make journey, I will show you guys my collection of images, which is really insane. So let's go to gallery and let me just sign in first to my account. So like that, sign in, authorize. So you sign in with your Discord account, and just like that, if I went to my gallery, you will see that there is some insane images. So look at those images. So they are really good, and they are from scratch. So there is nothing that has been in like the internet before. This is really new image design. So as you can see here, this burger uh is really insane, to be honest. It's really good. This image as well, this one as well, this one. They are like incredibly good, especially this one, guys. It is really insane. So this bot is actually really good. How to use it is just you have to sign in, give the authorization, and then go to your Discord, and just like so, open Discord and go to their server, So here's the server. You will find it in here. So let's go here, go to the new buys room and start imagining. So slash imagine and prompt and type whatever you'd like, and it will give you the result. And now we'll be finishing with OpenAI. So the OpenAI basically got the most incredible AI that humanity made, which is ChatGPT. If you want to hear and click on try, you will find this chat in here. Basically, this chat can make anything happen. Like any problem that you have, it can be solved using this AI. So let's say, for example, you want to create a website. So make me or write me a script of e-commerce website using HTML, JavaScript, HTTP, or like HTTP, for example, on for example, CSS. So as you can see now, but write this script for entire e-commerce website using HTML, JavaScript, HTTP, and CSS will be extremely undertaken. So now let me just see and better understand it. So let me just add one thing to it so it can give us that. So write me a script, a simple script. So here it is, a simple script of an e-commerce website. So as you can see now, it will start making the HTML, and then it will pass through the JavaScript. And what you'll have, guys, by the end is just collect all these scripts, copy them and paste them in your documents, and voila, the website will be running incredibly good. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.